Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to a thrift store. I have not really ever paid attention to thrift stores, but my friend persuaded me, so we're going to a thrift store today and we are going to see if we can get any winter clothes because it's getting colder and colder in Japan and I need some more winter stuff. So yeah, so that's what you're gonna be doing with me today, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and stay tuned. Hey guys, so we are at Wendy's house and we're going to do a try-on haul of the stuff that we purchased at the thrift store. This is the first item for both of us and I don't remember how much I paid for this, but everything that I purchased is between 500 yen and 1,300. Yes.
These are pants, like work pants, and a grey sweater.
I got a few coat, jacket, whatever you want to call it. So this is the first one that I'm going to show you guys. I love this. I remember this price. It was for 500 yen and it's in very good condition.
Look like one boy, look like one lesbian couple made it that.
Alright guys, so this is another coat.
Whatever your answer, man.
This was for what? Was this
13.
Oh, this is for 1,300
Yeah,
yen. This is the most expensive thing that I got from all of the stuff. And Wendy, what are you wearing?
Coats, the same pants and a different color sweater. And this coat was for 900 yen. 900 yen.
Okay. Next. I don't think I'll be wearing this top with this. Neither will you.
No, not at all.
But you know, for this video, I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So this pants, this is like a work pants. It's a little big, but I like it like this.
Yeah.
And the top, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be wearing it to work.
You can wear, I think you can wear.
Yeah. But this is like a, you know, a autumn, spring type of thing, or maybe winter if I put like a jacket over it.
Yeah, and this is just a pink sweater. All of them are the same, pretty much, but just different colors. So this one is pink.
So this is the next outfit. This pants is similar to the previous one. I didn't realize that I bought two grey pants.
Oh.
But yeah. And this top as well. Of course, I don't remember how much I got it for, but I think maybe 500.
Yeah, probably.
And maybe 700 or 500. Yeah, I don't remember. But yeah. And Wendy.
And this is a black pleated skirt, of course, and a brown tan nudish turtleneck.
Yeah.
I think they both were for what, 500? Yeah, 500. Wait, is this the front or the back of the skirts? Yeah, it's the same.
This is what work for?
Yeah, more likely.
Okay. This top was for, I think, maybe 500 yen. And this bottom, I don't remember how much it was for. But this is obviously a work pants. Yeah.
You have bought a lot of work clothes, Subway. We can buy casuals next month.
Yeah, but that's what I really wanted. I wanted work clothes. especially work clothes for autumn slash winter. Yeah. So this is the final outfit. This black top and this blue pants, which I love. I think this is my favorite. This pants is my favorite, and this top, it feels very, very nice. I also purchased these shoes, which was for 900 yen, and this is brand new shoes. Yeah. And I also got this bag for 500 yen. And our total is,
mine was 6,260 yen.
and mine was 9,570 yen. Yeah.
Rich girl.
No, but I really needed winter stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, so you have anything to say about thrifting?
No, not no.
Do you love thrifting? What about thrifting in Japan compared to Jamaica?
Oh yeah, I used to do thrifting in Jamaica, but the difference with thrifting in Japan and in Jamaica is that in Jamaica, when you go thrifting, it's like a bare old clothes, like a lot of old clothes.
English, please.
A lot of old clothes.
It's
a lot of old clothes.
Okay, yeah.
And everything is kind of dingy. I have to be really creative when it goes thrifting in Jamaica, but versus Japan now, you can find like good quality stuff. All of the clothes is new. You can see that it washed, it was taken care of. So that's the big difference with thrifting in Japan versus Jamaica.
And that is why I didn't want to go thrifting in Japan, because I thought that
it would be the same.
Yeah, it would be old clothes or granny looking clothes. Yeah, but it's actually not. They have some really good stuff, and even what you call name brand stuff.
Yeah,
as well.
they have some name brand stuff.
Yeah, so I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what is your favorite outfit for both of us. Leave them in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.